Hello CS50, my name is Jiro and I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia. And in this video, I'll be demonstrating my project for network for CS50 web. Without further ado, let's get started. As for the first point, new post, users who are signed in like me should be able to write a new text-based post in this text area right here and click the post button to submit the post. So for example, let me just type in new post. Once I click the button, my new post should be posted into the website. And this new post box form should be available in the all posts route or the slash or index route. Moving on to the second point, all posts. The all posts link in the navigation bar right here should take the user to a page where they can see all posts from all users with the most recent posts first. So as you can see here, my most recent post right here is at the very top of this page, and the following are the most next recent posts and so on. And each post should include the username of the poster, the post content itself, the date and time or timestamp at which the post was made, the number of likes the post has, which is 0 by default, and other buttons. Moving on to the third point, profile page. Clicking on a username should load the user's profile page. And this profile page should display the number of followers the user has, which is 7 for me, as well as the number of people the user follows, which is just 1 for me. I also added an additional posts count, a bio if there exists one for the user, and an edit profile page, which we won't get into now. Now, this profile page, if it is not the profile page of the signed in user, should also display a follow or unfollow button, such as this one, which will let the current user toggle whether or not they are following this user. So, if I click this, should be following him, toggle again to unfollow. And obviously this only applies to any other user, so users should not be able to follow themselves. So if I visit my profile page again, I should not be able to follow myself. So let me just follow this user back right here. Moving on to the fourth point, following. The following link in the navigation bar right here should take the user to a page where you can see all posts made by users that the current user follows. So currently I'm following 2 users right here, which are actually FunnyDude123 and Kathleen Leisha. So in this following page right here, I should be able to see all of the posts made by FunnyDude123. So this page basically behaves the same as this all posts page, but just with a more limited set of posts. And also, of course, this page should only be available to users who are signed in, because non-signed in users do not have a following. Moving on to the fifth point, pagination. On any page that displays posts, posts should only be displayed 10 on a page. So if there are more than 10 posts, a next button should appear to take the user to the next page of posts. So page 1 is basically the 10 most recent posts, and if it exceeds 10, it should overflow into sets of 10s into following pages. So let me just go to the next page by clicking on the next button, and if not on the first page, I should be presented with a previous button, and also next button if not on the last page. So as we progress to the page, obviously the posts get much older because this is all sorted by a reverse chronological order. And if on the last page, the next button should not appear. So this is the oldest post on this website. And these are the most recent posts on this website. So divided by sets of 10. Moving on to the sixth point, edit post. Users should be able to click an edit button to edit their own posts. So this is only available for posts that the user has made. So obviously you cannot edit other users' posts. As you can see here, there's an edit button only for the posts that I made. So when I click this post, I should see a text area where I can edit this post of mine. And obviously this should not be empty, or else an error message should appear. So if I can just edit this with multiple exclamation marks right here, I should be able to save it, and now my post has been edited without the need of reloading the whole page. And now finally, moving on to the last and seventh point, like and unlike. Users should be able to click a button on a post to toggle whether or not they like that post. So this is available for every post. So in this post right here, I can click this button to like this post, and this post will increment by 1. And I can click it again to unlike this post. That is all for my project for network. Thank you for watching.